Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latasha Valentine, and in this video guys, I'm going to be doing a quick, very quick office-like everyday makeup look. This one here that I'm on. Wolande. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to leave loads of comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so I literally haven't done any makeup in such a long time. It's so embarrassing. Yes, and I've come on camera with my hair in twists because since the last time I twisted, I'm not sure if you've seen that video where I'm doing my lock journey. They are literally the way they are. It's still a process, and I'm in the process, and I'm gonna end. Yes guys, so this is literally the finished look, and to be honest, I don't want to be biased, but I think it came out really good considering that it literally took 20-25 minutes to get a really nice finish and a really nice like, share, and subscribe. Guys, click that subscribe button if you do like this look. Guys, look at it. If you do like this look, please leave a comment down below and tell me what you like about it, if you would wear it, if it's something that's simple enough that you can do and that you would do, then yeah, let me know. And yeah, follow me on my lot journey as well. More videos coming for that, and don't forget to stay tuned for my next video, guys. My next video, if I'm not mistaken, is going to be a try on haul. Oh my god, it's going to be my fourth one, if I'm not mistaken, fourth or fifth one. I can't believe it. You know, never thought I would do try on haul, but yeah. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I do appreciate your views. Leave comments below, and yeah, thank you so much, and I'll definitely see you in my next video, God willing.